p.m. At 9:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ocala Airport, 47 miles west of Ocala, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sparr, Ocala Airport, Reddick, Flemington, and Lowell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following county: Marion, Florida.
Visit EastMelbourneWX Radio KWN 38, serving a portion of North Central Florida, on a frequency of 162.55 MHz.
The current time is 9:56 p.m.